y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashlyn and I am back with another video. For today's look, I am giving y'all Sour Patch watermelon vibes. So yeah, I'm giving y'all like a watermelon vibe. It's a watermelon cut crease with a little glitter liner. Really this whole look, I stepped out my comfort zone. I did things I usually do not do, and I'm so happy with the results. Like when I tell y'all, I am living for this look right now, especially the way that I'm looking on camera. I'm so happy with it. I really love this look. Before I go any further into the video, if you like what you see so far, please like this video. Also subscribe to my channel, and if you like this look and you want to see how to get it, continue to watch, and I'm going to jump right into the video. Hey y'all. Okay, so for the look that I'm doing today, I'm like super nervous because I just hope that it come out how I'm picturing it in my head. Like in my head, it's so bomb. Like I swear, it's so bomb, but I just hope it come out that way. The first color I'm gonna go into is in my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm gonna use my blending brush and I'm gonna go into this pink right here. And this is gonna be my transition shade. But I'm gonna pack it on the lid and then buff it out. I said transition shade, like I'm going to be using more colors. This is the only color that's going on my lid before my cut crease. So you really want this pink to pop, so make sure you put in that you're really packing it onto your lid. So here I'm just taking a clean blending brush and just buffing out the edges, so that the edges don't look so harsh. So now I'm just gonna go cut my crease. And to cut my crease, I'm gonna use my Milani 2-in-1 concealer and foundation in the color Warm Beige, and this is also what I use to prime my eyelids. I'm going to go back into that pink color and buff it into that concealer. I'm going to get a flat brush and going into that Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to go into this green, this lime kind of greenish color right here. And I'm going to place that on top of the concealer. Yeah, I'm so scared for how this is going to look. I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and the color I'm going to use is Beam. And I'm going to start it in the inner corner and then drag it out just a little bit to meet the green. So I have this little itty bitty wand brush to put the primer on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that primer down. Okay, so I have a disclaimer. I actually never done this before. So hopefully it comes out how I need it to come out, but I've never done this before. So I'm just picking the glitter up with the brush and placing it on top of the primer. And I'm starting from the back first and working my way to the inner corner. The closer I get to the inner corner, the less glitter I'm gonna pick up. It actually come out how I needed it to. Okay, glitter. So I'm just going to clean the excess glitter off and repeat the same steps on my other eye. And I'll be back. Wow, y'all, this came out so pretty and unexpected, and freaking Febreze spray just sprayed in my face, but it's okay because I'm so proud of myself. Like, so yeah, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna go do a winged eyeliner. So I already primed my face into prime. Of course, I use my Milani Prime Night Primer. I'm also gonna spray it with my Badescu Rosewater spray just so my face could have moisture in it before I go and put on my foundation. Like I said, I'm not gonna go too in depth with my makeup today because I pretty much do the same stuff and use the same products, so I'm not going to really go in depth. I guess I took too long because my beauty blender is not damn anymore. To go and buff it out, I'm gonna use my Morphe Y6 brush. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I put on like hella more concealer than I usually do. I usually only put like a little dot, but today, I don't know, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna go and take my Morphe Y6 brush and just buff the edges out on it with my Wet&Wild stick in the color was Walnut. Take my Face Expert brush and blend my contour out. To set my face, I'm going to use my Benign Banana Powder. To set my contour, I'm going to use my Itsmyrayeraye palette, and I'm going to use the color Mocha. Choose this color right here. Dust away all my excess powders. I'm going to use my Real Techniques powder brush. And that definitely just sprayed me in my face again. Go and bronze my face. I'm going to use my Becca Cosmetics bronzer in the color Bronze Bondi. For a blush, I'm going to go into this Style Essentials palette, all about color palette. I'm going to take this little peachy color, also a little bit in the pink too. just so we can make the pink in our eyes pop. Sometimes I could definitely go ham with the blush. Like, I really could go ham with the blush. So I'm gonna go and set my face. I'm gonna use my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. So to blend under my eyes, I'm gonna go into that green color that we use and put it closer to the waterline. Now I'm gonna go dab into that pink that we used and blend the green out at the bottom. I didn't do it too heavy, just a little bit, just to give it a little life under there. So for highlight, I'm going to take my highlight brush and I'm going to spray it with my setting spray. I'm going to take my Itsmyrayeraye palette and go into the color Radiance. Start highlighting my high points of my face. And going back into my inner corners, I'm going to take that color Radiant and just pop that color in my inner corner. Y'all ain't even put my lashes on. Y'all was going to let me be without lashes? These is regular all beauty supply lashes and they is popping, y'all. Yes. Come through. Yes. Alright, so let me go ahead and do my lips before y'all get... So I'm gonna mix my lipsticks because I want it to be pink, but I don't want it to be too pink. So first color I'm gonna use is my LA Girls lipstick in the color Snuggle. And on the inside, I'm gonna take this Stila lipstick in the color Carmelo. And I'm gonna pop it just in the middle. That's tea. Ashlyn cannot leave her lips matte. I have to add gloss. I have to add gloss. So the lip gloss I'm going to be adding is my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. And this is in the color Fussy. Just going to add a little bit. A little bit is enough. Okay. So... it's freaking late. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not doing nothing. I just wanted to do my makeup. So I'm not finna be extra. I'm not finna get dressed. I'm not finna put no earrings on. I'll just be back with the finished look. And that's it. Okay, y'all. So this is the finished look. And when I tell y'all, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of how this look came out. I really stepped on my comfort zone today. I did a couple of things that I usually do not do, but I decided to do them today, and I'm actually really happy that I did because especially on camera, I really love how it looks, especially my eyes. Like, yes. So yes, I really enjoyed making this video. I really love this look. I hope you all do too. If you do, please do not forget to like this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time on my next video.